Okay, part 4. I tasted one of them, pieces of the sugar cane, and it's water. It actually absorbed the water. I got the sugar out of it. So what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, and you can see, because I'm going to be doing it, not you. I am going to strain it. And you can see the water is not clear anymore. Okay, let me get these out of here. You're going to actually watch me. I'm going to be putting them in this bowl, which is my compost. See, and these were small. So could you imagine having to boil if they were thick pieces? That's why I cook them so small. But they're waterlogged now. The sugar is out of them. You might taste a hint of sugar, but there's nothing left. Into this bowl. Right now you're going to take the strainer out and get the rest of the pieces. And as you can see, I'm going to bend you down. You can see there it is. Now what we have to do, carefully without burning yourself. Oh God, I'm going to burn myself on this. I know this. This is very hot. I'm going to measuring cup. I do not want to get burned again. You're going to add it back in here. We are going to reduce this. No more water is going to be added to it. This is all reducing now that we're going to be doing. I'll bring you over in a minute. Okay, well if I don't bring you over here, if nothing else, you're definitely going to see what I'm doing. Oh, I didn't even see you up there on the side. You're going to turn it up. Leave the lid off, and you're going to reduce this, and it's going to become a beautiful color that I show you. I'll show you the color it's going to become. This is the color it's going to become, and then it's ready, and it's very, very sweet. Right now it's a watery sweetness, but once you reduce it, it gets more concentrated. And it's very nice. It has a unique flavor, all its own. You can taste some molasses in it. You taste the sweetness of the sugar, but you can actually taste it in there combined. And what I do is I use it in place of honey in recipes and baking and all. So that's what we'll be doing and using this. Now, how do you can this? I haven't canned it yet, so I don't know. Because it's sugar and molasses, I just pretty much just put it in a jar, put it in the refrigerator. And because it is sugar, if it gets hard like honey and stuff, all what you have to do is just sit there and heat it up like you do honey, and it'll go right back to its natural state. So I am going to reduce this till it gets that color, and then we'll put them into the jars, and that's it. And that's how you make sugar cane syrup. All right? Okay, here it is. All of that we did, we got this much out of it. Now, if you want it a little darker, you can reduce it more. It's too hot to taste right now. I should taste it anyway, shouldn't I? Since I made it. That's good, okay? But that's how you make it. I have to go get another jar. Okay, so listen, you take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.